Rehab budgets decide approvals. And most investors get them wrong. Lenders don't fund guesses. They fund structured numbers. So let's break this down fast. A rehab budget has 3 goals. 1. Prove you understand the project. 2. Show you can execute the work. 3. Reduce lender risk. Underwriters study your budget. They check scope clarity. They check cost accuracy. They check experience alignment. They look for missing items. They hate vague line items. Interior repairs is too vague. Kitchen, $8,500 materials plus labor is clear. Precision builds trust. Next, they check ARV logic. Your budget must support your ARV. Cheap rehab right pointing arrow cannot justify high ARV. Quality rehab right pointing arrow stronger ARV support. Your numbers must match the comps. Underwriters know construction costs. Inflated budgets look fake. Understated budgets look risky. Balanced budgets get approved. Now, required sections. Section 1. Demo. Section 2. Framing plus structural. Section 3. Mechanical systems. HVAC, plumbing, electrical. Section 4. Interior finishes. Kitchen, bath, flooring, paint. Section 5. Exterior. Roof, siding, windows, landscaping. Section 6. Contingency. Usually 5 to 10%. Lenders expect a contingency. Skipping it looks unrealistic. Next, labor versus material split. Lenders want both numbers. A lump sum budget looks messy. A detailed budget builds confidence. Underwriters score you mentally. Clear equals professional. Messy equals risky. Risk equals lower leverage. Final key: tie budget to timeline. Lenders want dates.